ज्वाइनिंग डेलॉइट, कब आएगा ऑफर लेटर? ऑफर लेटर कब आएगा मीन्स ज्वाइनिंग डेट कब आएगा? बिकॉज अभी क्या सीन हो रहा है ना कि देखो, यू माइट बी अवेयर दैट प्रोजेक्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इशू दे आर वेरी मच डिलेइंग द ऑफर लेटर। नॉट ओनली डेलॉइट, बहुत सारी कंपनीज के ऑफर लेटर डिलेड हो रही है। सो आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो इस मोमेंट पे, मतलब क्या बेस्ट आप लोग प्रैक्टिस फॉलो कर सकते हो सो दैट यू कैन गेट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ द टाइम दैट यू आर हैविंग राइट नाउ? See, there are something that is in your circle of control, there are something that is not in your circle of control. You can only focus on those things that is in your circle of control. Offer letter कब आएगी, joining कब आएगी, I can give you an expected timeline, but yes, what exactly you can do in order to perform great in your job when you will be joining Deloitte or any of the other company, any of the random company, because you know, not only joining, it's not only till joining. Actually, from there it's begin. There are lots of trainings, there are lots of learning, test examinations, and lots of things. Okay, I'll be talking end to end regarding Deloitte 7.6 LPA package, about the breakage, about the trainings, about what actually they are expecting from a candidate when they will be sharing the offer letter, when offer letter will be sent, how much time they will take to give you a joining, what are the documents that you should keep ready. But before starting the video, let's introduce myself. Just like you all guys here, मैं भी एक IT का बंदा हूँ, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience, on-site experience, and lots more that you can think related to IT. So if you want to join my journey in order to share your genuine experience, do subscribe my channel. Even you can share your anywhere experience to me on Instagram. Even personal connects are available. You can check out for any doubts related, any personal assistant if you need related to Deloitte or any other company, how you can crack that or how you can make it. You can check out a top link below in the description box. From there you can book a slot with me personally and connect with me personally, and yes, can get lots of insight on your particular doubts that you are facing right now. ये सब हटाओ, बात अब शुरू करते हैं कि Deloitte 7.6 LPA BDA की ऑफर लेटर कब आएगी, ज्वाइनिंग डेट कब आएगी। 2024 वाले 2023 में जब पास आउट हुए हैं, मैं जब 2023 में पास आउट हो चुके हैं, 2024 वाले भी परेशानी की कब आएगी। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई लाइक टू टेल यू, सी 2024 वाले यू थांबा रिटल बिट, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ 2023 कैंडिडेट और 2024 कैंडिडेट हु आर स्टिल नॉट गॉट ऑफर लेटर। सी 1 साल लग जा रही है आजकल ऑफर लेटर सारे कॉलेजेस को मिलने में। इट्स लाइक बैचेस में ऑफर लेटर जनरेट होते हैं। मैं आपको बताता हूँ, वंस दे सेलेक्ट कैंडिडेट फॉर मल्टीपल colleges or multiple university across the India, they try to divide you into the multiple BUs. See, company don't only run on a single business unit. There are multiple business unit and you are thrown into the multiple BUs. Okay, now as per the requirement of that BUs, they send the offer letter. That's why you might be seeing that your friend is getting an offer letter in month of July, but you are getting an offer letter in month of September, even though you are coming from the same college. This happened. Reason, because of the BU that you are allocated to. So for fresher, they hire and they just put randomly as per their needs and requirement, as per your skill set. Maybe they will be mapping, or they might be mapping as per the interviewer opinion, and they try to put you into the multiple BUs. After that you get an offer letter as per the dependency of the BU. तो ये बात क्लियर रखना। सी एक्चुअली डिलेड, तो ये मत सोचना ऑफर लेटर नहीं आएगी। LOI आई है, ऑफर लेटर आएगी। इफ दे वांट टू डू समथिंग strange, they can do that in trainings all. So what are the things that is in your circle of control? ये आपके circle of control में नहीं है। ऑफर लेटर can take up to a year, okay, but अब आ जाएगी 2023 बैचेस के लिए। 2024 बैचेस डोंट पैनिक राइट नो, इट्स जस्ट अ स्टार्ट। मे बी जून जुलाई में आपका आना स्टार्ट होगा। अगर आपके कॉलेज में इंटर्नशिप मिल रहा होगा देन दे मे गिव यू अर्ली, बट हाँ मोस्टली जून जुलाई में आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द बैच। ओके, so that's all. That is not in your circle of control. What is in your circle of control? What exactly you can do right now? Deloitte, see, they are hiring, they are taking test very seriously. Very seriously they are taking test. I have heard many candidates facing lots of issue during their initial level screening, and yes, you know that initial career you don't want that kind of, what I can say, mark in your resume. So what I would tell you, that be serious. Whatever they are teaching you, try to give your 100%. Try to build yourself, try to increase yourself in not only technical, okay, be also strong in the soft skill. Both technical and soft skill will be helping you out in order to survive in the job. I'm not talking about Deloitte only. Anywhere you are going, anywhere, these two skills are very much important. Whatever you are doing and whatever you are presenting, and how you are presenting whatever you are doing. So that is very important. So technical and soft skill are the very important part that I would like to address my freshers who are watching my videos. Definitely, if you are working on these two parts, you will be very much what I can say survivable in the market till the market is up to the mark. Okay, BTA they actually offer a BTA role, you know that Deloitte. So बहुत से लोगों की क्वेश्चन ये भी है कि कोडिंग वाले ट्रेनिंग्स होंगे क्या, तो डेफिनेटली ट्रेनिंग्स में कोड वोड सब पूछे जाएंगे. मे बी द प्रोफाइल इज बिजनेस टेक्नोलॉजिकल एनालिस्ट, बट द थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू वर्क इन एनी टेक्नोलॉजी ओनली to provide the best business solution. Maybe it is SAP, SFDC, business intelligence, Tableau or any of the tools it might be. But yes, be ready कि हाँ ये मत सोच के बैठना कि you will be working on no code only. Okay, it will be low code, okay, low code, functional और हाई कोड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू आर सिटिंग इन. नाउ सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये भी है अब कि 7.6 LPA में क्या इन हैंड मिलता है. तो बहुत ही डायरेक्टली मैं बोलूँगा, इतना माथा नहीं लगाने का. 7.6 LPA में सबसे पहले 1 लाख का ज्वाइनिंग बोनस होता है. ओके, 60,000 वेरिएबल होता है एंड 6 लाख एज अ फिक्स पे होता है. अब ये इसको डिवाइड बाय 12 मत कर देना, दैट इज नॉट द फिक्स. यू विल बी गेटिंग 43 to 45,000 डिपेंडिंग अपॉन your selections. Okay, so 43 to 45,000 in hand you will be getting on joining Deloitte per month. So this is all about salary I covered, about what are the skills that is required, what actually is in your circle of control to go and be serious in the classes, whatever they are teaching you in the classes, whether it's be 2024 batch or 2023 batch. Be serious in order to learn, and even that seriousness will be helping you to grow in this IT or consulting career. Okay, आफ्टर दैट Deloitte में और क्या सीन है. Deloitte is a very good company, okay, very good company, a good brand name. Definitely that will be pushing you ahead in your life and giving you such experience that will be helping you out to grow in your career too. Okay, so Deloitte join करना is a very good thing. It's not a bad only if you are coming from private engineering college with a low coding background. After that soft skill technical पे काम करना, ट्रेनिंग में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करना, give your 2000%, because I don't want कि आप लोग किसी प्रॉब्लम को फेस करो. That's why I'm telling you repeatedly. आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू नो समथिंग रिगार्डिंग Deloitte, ऑनबोर्डिंग, ऑफर कब आएगी, कब भेजते हैं, क्या करते हैं ऑफर में, ज्वाइनिंग क्या होती है, डॉक्यूमेंट क्या, डॉक्यूमेंट सबसे पहले क्या क्या रेडी रखना ब्रो, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पासपोर्ट बने तो बनवा लो भाई, 1500 की चार्जेस आएगी, कभी ना कभी यूज आ जाएगी. ओके, 10 साल की वैलिडिटी होती है, तो 1500 रुपये. अगर इफ यू फील दैट दिस इज फिजिबल फॉर यू, डू मेक इट. एल्स कीप योर पैन इज वेरी कंपल्सरी डॉक्यूमेंट, यू हैव टू मेक इट, देयर इज नो ऑप्शन फॉर दैट. पैन, आधार, bank they will be giving you the POCs to whom you can contact in order to create a bank account. These are the very important document. If you have any previous UAN history, you have to show that. If you have any doubt on that, you can also connect with me personally to check it out that what are the things that actually should keep. See, I have tried to cover most of the things. If you think this video was little bit of informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you want to connect with me personally, check out the top link below in the description box. From there you can book a slot with me personally. There are 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour slots are available. You can connect with me and yes, get sorted out with your doubts that you are facing right now. चलो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में एक नई informative content के साथ. तब तक के लिए take care and all the best for all your joining, onboarding and all the things that you are planning right now in your career. चलो, bye bye, take care.